Alright, good morning guys, you two people world, whoever, wherever. We have my graphics kit and my plastics. So I have it laid out in the sun because there won't be much more sun for the next couple days. Anyway, got the 2015 plastics for that bike over there. It's in the box. Extra parts. So this is the design that I did, the colors I chose. It's a dark gray, white with red. Did not know there was going to be, well, I guess I did know. They were having supposedly 50% off. And I have to say, it's factory backing is the company. And this company, I don't see their name on here. That's weird. But this all went on good. I haven't tried the new bike yet, but Team Racing, that's the company of this plastics. This is just an eBay plastics kit. Ouch. So eBay's plastics kit, preparation works, helps. So brand new plastics, cleaning the plastic, getting rid of all the releasing agents that the manufacturers have on their molds. So yeah, this is the 18's got a really long shroud from there to there, whereas the 15 is just from there to there. But so they kind of fold it, which kind of bugs me. But we'll see how that works. Hopefully I can get that crease out. Got the shroud sitting over there. Basically everything sitting in the sun. It's all UFO plastics. So off-road equipment. UFO Plast. It's an Italian company. Let's see. Via Marco Polo 155. Bienta, Italy. Anyway, so that's all the plastics I got. So anyway, I'm going to start with the fork guards. I cleaned them using brake clean on a microfiber cloth and heat gun. So I'm going to heat them up. It's pretty chilly out. So I'm going to heat them up and just bring these stickers or graphics, whatever, out here, up there. I was trying to do a different company, Hyena Graphics, and I don't know, I just emailed them because they wanted like $60-70 shipping, whereas every other company offers free shipping. So I just asked if they offer free shippings, and I don't know, just the attitude, or I was asking if for President's Day, actually. I said, hey, for President's Day, are you guys doing any deals like free shipping? And they said, we're already, I don't know, maybe I read it wrong, maybe I took it the wrong way, but basically he just said, no, we're already lower than everybody else for the quality you're getting and the design you're getting. Price is what the price is. So I said, okay, cool. And then went with this company, factory backing, which is the graphics that are already on this bike. See, he got the stars and stripes logo, which I don't really care for. Anyway, so yeah, And I don't care for the orange. I'm trying to get rid of as much orange as I can. So the main colors of the bike is red, orange, black, blue, and white. Because we have the blue selector there, this blue Ananas thing down there, the blue Creft stickers. Yeah, so I'm just gonna heat these up and apply them on here. It's pretty simple, I guess. Just eye placement, visual. It might be harder to do it on the bike or off the bike than on the bike, because when it's on the bike, you have something to press up against. When it's off the bike, you press up against it. You need both hands. So I do also use, not that glove. I use this little glove because it slides over the plastics and it doesn't get hot because it's hot. So when you're rubbing on it with the heat, your fingers want to grip the plastic and kind of smudge it. So I'll use the glove, one hand, do a little Michael Jackson, get the Thriller, and yeah, anyway, I'll get to it, and I'll probably show you after I'm all done. Hopefully this crease comes out, so we'll be back. Don't know if I'm gonna put them on the bike yet. I probably should have done all this yesterday and put them on the bike while I had everything off, seat off, tank out. I don't know if I mentioned it before. The reason I went with new plastics is this in here is broken. So this side fairing piece, number plate plastic is broken, both sides, and one of the tabs on the shrouds is broken off. So it kind of vibrates a little. So anyway, let me get to it before the sun goes away. So I'll be back, show you guys how it do. All right, guys, what a mess. What a mess. Plastics and graphics. So got all the graphics on except for the headlight. I don't think the headlight's gonna work because this is from a 2015 bike. But anyway, we have all the graphics. I asked them to take off the factory backing logos, but I did mention for the shroud. So I didn't know. Well, I did know. It's nobody's fault. It's not their fault. It's more of my fault. I just thought they'd remove all the factory backing stickers, but they didn't. But it's okay, because otherwise it would just be gray. Kind of look kind of boring, so it kind of worked out. So we got the front fender, the fork guards, number plate, rear fender is all done, side plate is done, 287 is my number. So this one was kind of hard, but not as hard as the shrouds. Shrouds were a pain in the butt. Because, let's see, should be the same company. Yeah, so all these weird little cutouts. But anyway, I'm going to pull it all off and then put these in the box and get this big old box out of my garage. So this was a pain in the butt. As you could see, it doesn't match. And then if I moved it this way, these here would be over here. So kind of got it as best as I could. But the graphics, I do have to take it back to when I said they're exactly the same. These are a little thicker material than the other ones. So anyway, yeah, so, but we got it all. This is the number plate. Yes, that's my name. It's my number, 287. I usually don't want to do numbers and stuff, but I might not be doing it with my name on it anyway. So anyway, gonna start tearing this off. We got a little sneak peek of this, but yeah, doing this gets rid of this. Might keep this one, but it gets rid of that front one for sure. So that way I could have full headlight and orange delete. So one more thing of less orange. So it'll probably just be this tool bag. Those are mousse, nitro mousse. Basically they're just solid rubber or neoprene or whatever they are. Solid, whatever. But anyway, I did order the wrong size though. I didn't know there was a sizing chart for these things. I just picked for what the tire size was. This is a 5.1 by 18. It's supposed to come out to a 140 80 18, and so that's what I ordered. The only problem is it's supposedly tire specific, manufacturer, size, everything. So it's not just size specific, it's manufacturer specific. So this one actually takes, it's an M18 or NM18 280, I believe. And then the front one, it's not that far off. It's NM21 225. So I can still use the front one, I believe. But I think I'm going to order another set. And then I'm going to buy another set of tires for this. And I'll use these ones for those tires. Not saying these are bad, but anyway, back to the graphics. So I'll show you guys once the graphics are all on, or the plastics are all on. So I'm gonna get cracking. This is my new camel pack. It's a 3-liter pack, as opposed to that one is I think a 2-liter. So I was running out of water quick, and I was having to bring 2 extra bottles of water. So I think there's like 30 ounces to a liter. So anyway, all right guys, I'm gonna clean up all this mess, start tearing the bike apart. I might try to see if I can make that work, but we'll see. See when I get back. All right guys, so this is what we got. Sorry if the lighting's not that great, but plastics are all on. Sorry for the noise, but graphics are on, plastics are on. Gotta say that the plastics, a couple issues. The plastics, but nothing too crazy. Ended up making this one work, because like I said, this is Baja design headlight, Baja design mask, or whatever you want to call it. So, and then it's from a 2014 to 2015. So for that bike, anyway, I made it work. It's all good. Kind of don't like the number choice I chose. I thought it was going to look a little cooler, but I don't know. It is what it is. I guess when I come out, if I go racing, go to a race like Los Angeles, Barstow to Vegas, call it LAB2V. Anyway, this is what we got. Numbers, pretty much line up. This side is okay. I don't know what the deal is. It's like this plastic, but I'm thinking it's because of the tank. So the tank is a different design. So I think the original tank goes down a little more and in turn takes this plastic and drops it. But this side matches pretty good. The other side doesn't match too good. And if I were to put the plastics on and then put the stickers on, it kind of would have been a pain in the butt to try to line this up. I'm glad I put the graphics on the plastics. So anyway, got the swing arm stickers. It's nice to get rid of a lot of the orange. So we got red. I'm a diehard Honda guy, not a KTM guy. However, I did not want to go with the Honda 450 RL for a couple of reasons. One, it's like 40 something pounds heavier. Two, it's only a 450, and you got to spend a lot of money to make it compete to the KTMs. I hate to say that, but I said it. So anyway, yeah, graphics came out good. I don't know if I'm going to put the bag on there or if I'm just going to carry tools. So this is a whole air tool kit that I don't think I need to carry anymore, which was in this bag. Do need to take the registration and stuff out. I have this bag which housed all the tools, the tire tools. I feel like I'm missing something, but anyway, yeah, which was wheel and tire, which I can carry this, or I can carry this one with the adapter. So anyway, that one or this one. So maybe both. Put them in the backpack. Oh, this is the tire stuff. Came out of the bag. This is miscellaneous bolts. So I probably just need this and this. And my toolkit. I probably could put that in the bag, but most likely I'm going to run this doohickey. And I kind of think I'm learning something right now. No way. For heck sakes. Tire iron. I did not know this. Tire irons. Supposed to go in here. That's crazy. I just learned. I saw a bag the other day on Rocky Mountain ATV. I was like, oh, that's cool. You put the tire iron in there. Well, you can put the tire irons on these. That's crazy. But anyway, guys, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the bike? It's hard to show it. But everything's bolted up. Everything's good. Because of the larger tank, these are kind of a pain in the butt to do. So you got to use larger bolts to get it started, and then it'll suck it in. But I like it. I think it came out good. Wish there was a little less red right here. But yeah. But it goes together. It's all right. Anyway, that's it, guys. I'm done for the day. Gotta go put stuff away, put this in the barn, clean up the garage a little bit. Let me know what you guys think. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later.